813 out of 1,563 NEET UG aspirants took a retest across 6 exam centres. After outrage over grace marks, inflated scores and fears of paper leak, the retest was ordered by the National Testing Agency.
The controversial NEET exam is reconducted, and you can see the list here mentioning the roll numbers for 2 students who are coming here to give exams, and the time is from 11 a.m. to 1:30 in which they can enter the examination hall. And right now you can see the security as well. The school persons or the teachers or the NTA seems to be more precautionary and careful regarding the NEET exam that's been reconducted here.
But the great Indian exam mess is getting messier. While undergraduate students appeared for a re-exam, the entrance test for NEET postgraduates has been postponed. No new dates have been announced for the exam yet.
सुबह से क्या कोई स्टूडेंट यहाँ पर आया था?
2-4 आदमी आया था तो पूछा था एग्जाम के लिए, तो हम लोग तो नोटिस बोर्ड टंगा दिया है, तो बोल दिया है हम लोग जो पोस्टपोन हो गया है।
एग्जाम पोस्टपोन हुआ है तो 15-20 दिन बाद वो कह रहे हैं कि पढ़ाई करो, डेट आएगी तब तक पढ़ाई करो।
The National Board of Examination says that the delay is to access the robustness of exam process post the NEET UG and UGC NET fiasco. Meanwhile, the centre has shunted out National Testing Agency Chief Subodh Kumar Singh and appointed retired bureaucrat Pradeep Kharola in his place. Even as the government is trying to firefight, the opposition is breathing fire.
ये सरकार एग्जाम नहीं करा पा रही है। नौजवानों के बीच ये सरकार अपना विश्वास पूरी तरह से खो चुकी है। जो शिक्षा मंत्री आज से 4 दिन पहले एनटीए को क्लीन चिट दे रहे थे, अब एनटीए के डायरेक्टर जनरल जो एग्जाम्स के हैं उनको हटा रहे हैं। ये क्या लीपापोती चल रही है?
The government has taken proactive steps to protect the interests of the students and to protect the integrity of the examinations conducted by NTA. We now have a new Director General to head the National Testing Agency. The government has also formed a high-level committee, and they will provide the recommendations to ensure that these examinations are conducted fairly, transparently, and they have credibility.
The exam mess needs not just a clean-up but an overhaul. After all, the future of lakhs of students is at stake.